Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, and I've got a big honking box full of Fabfitfun, and it's heavy as hell, but it's okay. Let's unbox it. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Rhonda. I say things. This box has had me curious all afternoon. I had a medical procedure earlier, so I wasn't quite up to do anything, but now I'm ready to let the good times roll, so to speak. Thank God my scissors are sharp. All right. And I've got some add-ons in here as well as my box. So, out goes the paper. The cat will enjoy that. Casting it out into the room. Oh, let's do my mystery bag first, because it is a big honking bag and I don't know what's in it. And then we've also got I got the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley. I got that. I also ordered a backpack. It was one of the choices. I chose something else, but I added this backpack on. I just got the weirdest deja vu. But this is a backpack. It's much smaller. It's much smaller than I expected, but it's super cute. And I think I'm going to use this in a giveaway in the future because it is a beautiful, great Bodecker backpack. So look forward to this being in a big major giveaway filled with stuff very soon. Okay, so the CE Glow is in some plastic. Usually I make you wait till the end for this stuff, but it's right in my way. And this is a vitamin C turmeric face oil from Sunday Riley, and I know I got a good deal on it. I think it was one of my add-ons. Can't remember how much. Oh, and there's another thing in here that's an add-on. And it is something I'll be using in my live streams, and it is Game Room First Edition Bizarre Facts Quiz. So I don't know exactly how it goes, but these questions, I just want to see what one of the questions is. It says, I guess you have people guess, what does the Brannick device measure? Foot size, muscle strength, blood pressure, or bone density? That's a good question. I would never know unless I had the card. So this is a cool game that I got for like $5. And Ruby is now in the big box, but there's still another box in there full of stuff. All right, so let's see what's in this mystery bag. Usually they're tied, but this one isn't. Let's see. We have this. It looks like it almost came undone. Mitchell and Peach English Growers English Leaf Hand Wash. Ooh, a fancy English hand wash. Very nice. What does it smell like? Oh, it smells really nice. It smells like grass and nature and very fresh. And of course, my landlord starts mowing the lawn right now. But he doesn't know what I do in here. I mean, he does, but he doesn't care. And then I got Paris Silk Spot Peel and Exfoliating Foot Peel for targeted areas. So that's very nice. I've got targeted areas that could use some spot peel. Don't we all? And then I don't know what this is. This has me very curious. Oh, and there's still something else in here. There's a little thing from Ish, and it is Hydra Matte Lipstick. Ish is a company that I've gotten stuff from subscription boxes. I'm not going to open it because I don't use regular lipstick, but that'll be going in a giveaway. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh, it's fancy. It's a jar. And it says Market Finds. And it is a beautiful, it looks like handcrafted jar. There's nothing else in it. and it's empty. So it's a beautiful jar that could go in any room and be filled with anything. It says coffee. This says coffee, but you could turn it around and not show the coffee part. Very cool. We shall put that over here, or it might be a great gift. So maybe I'll gift that to someone for Christmas. So that was all my add-ons. So let's get into my box. I left my new calculator in the other room. I'll try to remember to add up everything. I probably won't remember, but it's worth more than the $50 that I spend on it. And it is a beautiful box. And they're trying to go more natural with the inks and things that they use on our boxes. They're trying to be more recyclable, more friendly to the environment. I'm trying to open this box. Oh, more paper. And it looks like this. And I've got a magazine, which will tell me how much stuff is. I'm really trying to organize in a very small space, so you have no idea how fantastic I'm doing. HelloFresh stuff about wine quizzes, getting wine. I don't do wine. If you like wine, go buy wine. I'm not going to enable you. But I've got a lot of stuff in here, and let's get through it. And this month we have, or this season we have Padma Lashimi. I know Padma from Top Chef, and she is a model, and she's really cool, and I really like her. She's got great style. And the backpack that I bought, I got a deal on that was in my add-ons, and it is normally, let's see, $100, but I think I spent like $15 on it or $10. I wouldn't have paid $100 for it, but let's see what we've got in the box so far. And the first thing I found is Stila, and I love Stila products, and I love this mascara. It is Extreme Lash Mascara, and it is very good mascara. I've always loved this mascara. I'm supposed to have an eyeliner also. Oh, I see the eyeliner. It comes with it. You get the eyeliner, and this is the first 24-hour wear eyeliner I ever used, and it is a fantastic eyeliner. So I was super stoked to be able to get these classic products that I've used in the past that I loved. So that was awesome. And then the next up, there's a lot of choices that I could have had, like you know, curling wands and different things, pouches and baskets, and I chose the eyeliner and mascara because I will use them very gratefully. Now, out of number 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 choices, and it looks like I chose, I don't remember what I chose. I'm just trying to look through and see what I've got. It's hard to figure this out. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, did I get this from Jenny Bird? No, this is for number 3. Let me find number 2. I really can't read any of this stuff. What is wrong with me? I'm getting old. I didn't get the infinity scarf. I didn't get the hair removal device. Maybe I got the serum. I didn't get the woven scarf. I didn't choose the clay mask. And I have a sleeping... I'm just trying to see what I have. I think I might be missing something. I can't find number 2. I found number 3, which is, no, this. And number 3, is from Jenny Bird. She had 2 products that you could choose from. And usually the jewelry in these boxes are pretty good. Let's see what I got. Ooh, it looks like a bracelet. Let me get into this. I don't know if it's going to fit me or not, but this is a really cool bracelet. I can't put it on myself right now. Oh, it's adjustable, so it should fit, and it's very cool and full of chains. So that is worth $135. I'll put that back in the bag. That is a very cool bracelet. And that was 3A. I'm just not finding my number 2 at all. So let's go to number 4. I just don't see number 2 whatsoever. Number 4, I know that I got this, and this is a glass water bottle with neoprene and turquoise. And I love getting fancy water bottles. And this is a $35 value. And it is very nice and very hefty. It's got a good weight to it. I think I'm going to give this as a gift for Christmas though. Put it down there for now. And then we go to 5. And for number 5, I chose these hair clips. And these hair clips are $32, and I love putting things in my hair. Pin your hair to perfection with this trio of resin-plated pins. It's by 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio. So that's very pretty. That'll be very nice for my hair. Number 6 is, oh, I know what this is. It is the crease release, which is going to be great to use on some of my laundry, because sometimes I put the stuff that I only wear for like an hour in a pile, and then this will be able to get the fresh smell and get the wrinkles out. This is great. I'm really excited about that. Number 7, there's lots of things that could be number 7, and I think it is the sleep mist. I got a sleep mist here for number 7, and the value of the sleep mist is $22. I'm going to leave it sealed in the box because I will be giving this away as a gift for Christmas, and that is awesome. Number 8. I only have 2 things left. I think I'm missing number 2 for sure. But number 8 is on, it's not on 2 pages, is it? Here's a bunch of recipes. How to style your backpack. Stuff about Padma. I'm really curious. I think that's it. I have 8 things, and the last 2 things I have are from the Beauty Crop a Glow Milk, which I don't even know what that is, and Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Refining Serum. So maybe this is from number 2. No, it wasn't there. I don't know. I got 2 mystery things. And it's a great box. I'm super happy with it this year or this season. I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.